La da da la da 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 da. Can't wait to play Gorilla Tag. Let's do this thing. Let's this isn't Gorilla Tag. Yo, bro, do you know what this is? Oh, it's Big Scary. I'm Big Lear. This ain't Gorilla Tag. What is up, guys? It's me, J-Dog here. Today with another video, but it's not IRL, not another Gorilla Tag. Today we are playing Big Scary. Yeah, Big Scary indeed. Now, let's get into it. Alright, let's head. My name is Tommy. Servers. We're just gonna go in the public, I guess. But yeah. Turn my headset down so I don't get scared by the monkey jumps. We're heading to this.
Why do you want down shot?
Sit. Oh no. That is not my music, by the way.
Hey, follow me! Hey, let me touch your
Alright,
hair.
so I have like a lot of. I have these. I have these. I need to get to a glass branch, which I do not know how to. Why do you put it out of the map? Gets me like, why would you? Like, why put it on the map? I know we can get to it. Alright, whatever. Big Scary. Who doesn't enable it? Thank you. Whoop.
I have been
Can you help me beat the game?
I'll give it to
Can you
you.
help me beat the game? Can you help me beat the game? Can you help me beat the game?
My video cannot be that long.
Yeah. Can you help me beat the game?
I'm just saying hi to Big Scary. Like, go. Watch this. Boing. Oh, hold up. Boing. I do not have all of these hats. I want that spinning one. But I do have a spinning one.
Hey,
It's just,
you follow me.
well, I think I do. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna get the capybara one.
Head up.
Alright. They usually spawn in your level 2. Yeah, I told you. Flippin' old. Watch this one. Banana buck collecting montage. Oh yeah. Oh, there's 2 in this level. Oh, right when that happened, my TV went. Right. It's right there. He's right there. They should add a new monster.
Wait, hold up. Wait.
Oh, nope. He saw me. Alright, there we go. Now we got 20. Big Scary Plus. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Hey, do I have all of these? Do I have the duck hat? Do have that hat? No, the frog one. I think
Oh my god, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna get the capybara one.
flat Earth hat?
Bro. Yeah, I got a hat.
Yeah, you retard.
Boring, 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 boring.
Big Merry Christmas. Big Merry Christmas. If I had.
Alright. Set the oh, what's your rubber? $18. Wrong. Alright, we'll have fun with this. W. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Crack. Dead. Yeah. Wait. It's 19. Oh shoot, he has a cut. My turn. The goodest. Boom boom. Boom boom. Bro, can you stop? Uh-oh. On the backflip. Hit it. Plus $10 million for me. Yashiba. I think that is enough. Big scary for you. Yeah, press enter. Scary Christmas. Scary Christmas.
What I'm doing
You're
here,
the
bro.
best mod.
I'm better than Hosh. That's all you gotta know.
Son of your family.
Shame,
Stay
Hosh.
home, son. Stay home.
Most of the master.
Better, and he's fat and stinky. You see that blue guy over there named Xeon in any lobby?
Leon is actually gone. Look at this getting rid of.
Guys, bad monkeys. Oh no, monkey. Ah.
But I want you to yell at him as loud as you can because I'm better. And he's fat. You see that?
So we're gonna head to Gorilla Tag instead. Cause why the Whittle not? Gorilla Tag, there we go. Just gonna go in the public lobby. Yeah.
I'm lagging.
That-
Oh my god. Yo, I landed on the stick, man.
No,
I landed on the snowman.
no. Please don't be that guy. No.
God, my head was hanging outside. Yo, please. Fuck, please, fuck. Nigger.
Yo, whoa. What do you say? No, what do you say? What do you say, bro? No, what do you say? What do you say? Let's throw this out.
Get hit by a snowball. Come here. I like Lunsley. Hey.
You make one?
Hey.
Wait, does that mean bro saying
I like
sick of it?
Hello. someone? I got yeah.
Yeah,
I'm just playing. I don't want to kiss anyone.
I gotta stop playing with the snowballs.
I don't want to kiss. I don't want one.
I actually gotta stop doing that.
Oh, I'm not sure. I
Stop, girl. I think you do.
I don't. I promise. Please.
Are you sure?
I'm in the property.
Positive?
I don't want to
I've
kiss.
seen this on
Like a million.
YouTube Shorts. How? Yo, Blue. Oh wait, Blue. Wait.
Hacker?
No one went big.
Hacker?
No, it's cause you press the thing on your. It's cause to press your thing on your.
No, I know
Sorry.
that was small. But I was thinking for a second.
Oh, he's looking at me. I'm deep. No, I think he's looking at me. Yo, Blue, get a snowball, make a snowball, like a big one, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then hit us with it. Yeah, and then hit us with it. Alright, hit me. No, like throw it at me. Blue, like throw it at them, yeah. Wait, Blue. Get a snowball and make it big. Get a snowball and make it big.
Yo,
No, bro.
Blue, you can't make the stone.
You're not doing that, bro.
Okay. Sorry, White. Sorry. Where are you?
Get a snowball.
I'm coming to you.
Get a snowball and then make it big and then he flings us.
Yeah, the top one.
I didn't make it.
How are you so good? Wow.
I'm not gonna make it.
I'll come up there with you.
Oh, I don't think that'll be good. We. Boing.
Bird, go away.
Yeah! I just hit my elbow app.
Please, bro, green me.
Did
Please.
bonk.
Green, stop. Stop working.
Also, I would be big.
Don't let green get it. Don't let green get it.
Yeah.
Bro, green, what is your deal? Green.
JDOG on. Guardian. Oh shoot, I should have stepped out. Alright, there we go. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. So first things first. What? No. I just did it. Great. Oh. I'll probably get out of the map in seconds. Well, I probably could. Hold up. Oh, there we go. There we go. So, oh my, bro. No, I was there. You guys saw that, right? Back to small. And so that will be the end for the
I think it
video.
was a
Oh,
glitch. Maybe it was a glitch. Look.
it's big.
Let's go.
Wait, blue, make a snowball. Make a snowball. Like put the snowballs together.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, and then throw it at them, and then it'll send them flying. Bye.
But you already got it, bro. Why can't I get it?
Diddy. Yeah, alright.
Run.
Yeah, alright, pest and P.
Why do I hear the people chase scream every time? I'm just a friend. What did I do? What did I do?
Oh, yeah.
Let's bowl in, everybody.
You dropped him.
Purple top hat can be used as a bowl.
No.
I don't know.
Here.
I ran out of rhymes, so I don't have any more.
Now.
Let me explain to you what's happening. So you have a glitch where zero displays.
Purple, I told you.
No, you didn't. Yeah.
He knocked me away. Just me. That's crazy.
And then click again.
Can be used as a bowl.
Guys, prepare to be plugged. Yo, wait, blue.
Why me?
Wait, guys.
Why can purple get it, but not me?
Snowball.
Okay, and now,
Because I'm recording, isn't it?
like, what do you want to do?
Oh my god, why this kid?
He's targeting me. Oh my god.
Where's the fellow blue? Where's the fellow blue?
No, I have to say, I'm going to tell you.
Can someone teach me how to play out the map? Everyone can throw me out. Of course, you know what? I have to stop breaking. What? Like I tricked you. No. You missed.
But you're
Oh, you have a gun, you have a gun.
You missed.
All you gotta do is just meet me at the...
I'm done with this game mode.
Wait, can someone don't take me out the map? I'm scared. I don't want to.
I'm flying.
Wait, give it to me.
I'm trying to get
You want to go off the map?
Yes.
Hey, everybody!
No,
Who wants to go off the map?
I don't. Wait, I just joined. I just joined.
Who wants to go off the map?
No, I mean.
I cannot get it.
Pick me up. Me, I don't want to. Wait, can you take me to the rock? Pick me up.
Guys, no, please. Can I have it?
No, I'm
Can I have it? I just joined.
I know. You were the hit song, right?
Whee! Yeah, I've seen it on the TV.
Okay, I like you. Get up, Sid.
Help me!
I'm sorry.
How does it not me?
What's up?
I tapped it the
Really? Jill, stop it.
I tapped it the most.
It's the party. But Black's forehead is so big, he needs to wear a party hat. I'm joking, it's a black guy.
Finally.
Black is a black. Someone help me, I just Black is a
Over here, everybody.
I'm in the sick of it. Everybody knows if they know me, words no back. And they follow no nothing but scientific what tutorial. I never seen you.
Neither have I, you know.
Tutorial. Black. Black, can I see it? Black. Can I see it?
No, you're gonna actually get punched out of the map.
Well, I didn't think it's too No! Help me! Somebody! Help! Help! I survived! No, wait! I'll go to the snowball! I can make it!
Nah.
Over there!
Oh my god, that's copyright. Oh. Guys, that is not my music. That is at Juice WRLD's music. It's not my music.
Hey. Can you do life real quick?
Oh, someone has a mod menu.
Can you do Fortnite?
Right, that's not my music. I'm gonna get copyright. Well, I hope everyone here liked this video. And like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you. And yeah, have a good day or night. And join fan code JDog. I might be in there. Anyways, see you later.